Hello, my name is Talitha Aldi from Business Hotel Management, Class BA 93, Binus Bekasi. And I'm going to tell you how to make vanilla sauce and orange sauce. To make vanilla sauce, the ingredients are 3 pieces egg yolks, 125 ml of milk, 125 ml of cream, 13 gram sugar, and half a teaspoon vanilla extract. First, in a saucepan, heat milk and cream. While waiting, pour sugar into the bowl of egg yolks and mix it until it well combined. Once the milk mixture is warm, pour 2 ladles of the mixture into the egg mixture. And then mix it until well combined. After the mixture well combined, pour back into the saucepan and keep stirring until it is thickened or reach 70 degrees. Don't forget to add half a teaspoon vanilla extract. And quickly mix it until it all well combined. After the mixture is thickened, take out from the stove and let it chill in a container. Keep it in the chiller for about 1 hour before using. To make orange sauce, the ingredients are fresh squeezed orange juice for 300 ml, cornstarch for 25 gram, sugar for 10 gram, and 3 tablespoons cold water. First, strain the squeezed orange juice to the saucepan. And then pour sugar and stir it until the sugar is dissolved. Once the orange mixture is warm, start mixing cornstarch with cold water. Cornstarch makes the mixture thicken easily and quickly, so we have to stir it on and on. When it is boiled, pour the cornstarch mixture and whisk until it gets thickened. After the mixture is thickened and well combined, take out from the stove and let it chill in a container. Keep it in the chiller for about 1 hour before using. So the vanilla sauce can be used to be a topping for pudding, pancake, waffle, or ice cream. Same as the vanilla sauce, the orange sauce can be used to be a topping for pudding or ice cream.